Now, so along with O1, you need all 5 corners. Along with O, all 5 corners. Now, you all are staying in flat or independent house? For you people only, I am asking question.
Yes, sir.
Where you are staying, Amma? Yes, hostel. But now at present, no one is in hostel. You all are staying in your home. Whether you have independent house or flat system.
Flat.
Flat. Who is having independent house? No one.
Yes, sir.
Tell loudly for that also you are taking. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In independent house, you have compound wall between two adjacent neighbors. Why you have compound wall? Anyone?
To separate their house and our house.
Great. If you don't want anyone's interference, agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
If you keep it open, you will get more free space now. If that wall is not there, you can travel, you can move from one location to another location. But we want independence. We don't want dependence. No one can interfere in our house. This method is called outer line technique. This method is called outer line technique. Outer line technique means we want to define our own premises. Your compound may be trapezium, it may be triangle, it may be rectangle, it may be square, depends upon the plinth area. Agree? Depends upon the plinth area. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I will use outer line technique. Compound will be constructed extreme position or internal position? Compound wall.
External.
Extreme position. Please tell me any one point. I will construct compound wall. Any one extreme point. Anyone?
D dash.
D dash. Okay. Again, two methods. You can move in a clockwise direction. You can move in an anti-clockwise direction. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Rotation is two ways only. Clockwise or
Anti-clock.
anti-clockwise. You may follow any method. From D, you see, I taken C. Anything is lying? No, it is compound. C to 2. Some points are lying in between, but that is not extreme points. 2 to 1. 1 to 5. 5 to E. E to D. You see, from where I started, compound is a closed loop. Agree? Compound is a closed loop or open loop?
Closed loop.
So it is closed. I started from that point, it is closed loop. This is the first target. Once we defined our premises, now second target is which face is visible. ABCD is nearer to observer. So ABCD visible. A, join A with B. B and C due to outer line already there. C to D, D to E, E to A. Visible. Finish. Next. Can you observe ball? Ball. Ball.
Yes, sir.
Can you keep ball in front of you? Full ball is visible or half ball is visible, Amma?
Half.
Half. Only this portion is visible, this portion is not visible. Jagratam. Now, 1A visible because it is in front of us. 1A. This 1A visible. Okay. Next, 2B visible. Already 2B in outer line it is drawn. Next, 5E, where is 5E? Already outer line drawn. Okay. 3C not visible, but 3C is in outer line. Okay. 4D, which is extreme, not visible. 4 and D. Remaining portion dotted chain. हाँ आहे. हाँ. 4D is visible. मी जातो. 4D is not visible. So that is dotted. This is the one thing. Now, after this, you see. 1, 2. This corner 4 is not visible. 4. This 4 dotted line. 4 to 5 is a dotted line. See. 4 is a corner. Corner and its adjacent side. Every corner is having 3 adjacent side. 1, 2, 3 is invisible. This method amma. This jagrutam cheyali. Any doubts? शंभरच नाही आहे का आहे शंभरच राहू दे हे getting my point Jagrutam draw cheyali. Here value is visible and invisible segment. Note down. Please note down, Amma. Neatly note down Cheskoali. What I am telling. Listen carefully. Steps. Marks are solid. That's why its name itself is solid. When you will come to know, when I will go for third stage. Problems are very simple. Only it need hell of patience. It is the only patience game, Amma. Some precaution and patience. If you have these two things, you will score 10 out of 10. I always believe solid is a solid question. I believe. Because if you have confidence, you can solve anything. Only thing, where it is placed, how it is placed. After that, this is the only technique. After that, same projection, we are only drawing perpendicular and parallel line. Intersection points we are drawing. Note down, let me know, Amma. थोड़ा क्लियर बोला त्याला सांगा मी पैसे भरलेले ते जुने पेपर घेऊन जा. जुनं तुमचं आहे ना संदेशचं पेपर हे पेपर Finished? Bhavya, you want recording?
Sir, it's okay for today. I'll record from next class.
Are important, Amma. This is the toughest portion of the drawing. Third unit is the only question where student success rate is 5% to 10, Amma. They won't unable to attempt it. These are the very typical nature. Nothing typical, no complex, but it have certain methods. Okay. Try Chayanama. Any doubts you may ask. From my side, I am ready to say anything. And I am drawing 1:1 scale. It helps you. Same thing, you have to copy paste. Once finished, let me know. Please respond. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Anyone left? हे नाही, पहिलेच. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Take Amma next problem. One more problem we will solve to build the confidence. Draw the projection of a cylinder. Draw the projection of a cylinder. Draw the projection of the cylinder. Draw the projection of a cylinder. 40 mm diameter. 40 mm diameter. 40 mm diameter. And 55 mm long axis. And 55 mm long axis. 55 mm long axis. Lying on the ground. Lying on the ground. Lying on the ground. Lying on the ground with its axis. Lying on the ground with its axis. With its axis. Inclined at 30 degree to VP. With its axis. Inclined at 30 degree to VP. Inclined at 30 degree to VP. And parallel to the ground. And parallel to the ground. Parallel to the ground. Yes, tell me, where is the
Sir, on
object?
the repeat, sir.
Draw the projection of a cylinder. Draw the projection of a cylinder. 40 mm diameter. 40 mm diameter. And 55 mm long axis. And 55 mm long axis. And 55 mm long axis. Lying on the ground. Lying on the ground. Lying on the ground with its axis. Lying on the ground with its axis. Inclined at 30 degree to VP. Inclined at 30 degree to VP. Inclined at 30 degree to VP. And parallel to the ground. Parallel to the ground. Where it is placed, Amma? Parallel to the ground. Where it is placed? Where it is placed?
In VP.
How? Idu cylinder,
By
Amma.
base.
Idu lying on the ground. See, when it is lying on the ground, how it is lying? Parallel to the ground. Parallel to HP means perpendicular to VP. See, idu circle. Jagratam vinnandi. Listen and do that carefully. This is XY line. Now it is lying on the ground. Where it is? 20, diameter is 40, but radius is 20. So many students, they will take radius. What you have to do? Take. It has to lying on the ground means it has to touch HP. Idu jagrata mama. Idu HP touch cheyali. Then only it is lying on the ground. You have to draw like this. Now it is touching. How many parts we have to divide? What I told, whenever circle is there, how many parts you have to divide? How many parts?
12 or 8.
12 or 8.
All, I will prefer 8 here. I will tell why. So take this 45. 45 means divide this into now name it. Prism or pyramid? What is that? Prism or pyramid?
Pyramid.
Prism or pyramid?
The type of pyramid but not rectangular faces.
Yes, Amma, loudly.
It is a type of pyramid but not rectangular faces.
This type of prism, cylinder. Cylinder chusava, top no cylinder, bottom it is prism. Family member, cylinder is a family member of prism. If you say pyramid, get 0 marks. So this is prism. Cylinder is always prism. So it is A dash, 1 dash, B dash, 2 dash, C dash, 3 dash, D dash, 4 dash, E dash, 5 dash, F dash, 6 dash, G dash, 7 dash, H dash, 8 dash. ಇದು ಜಾಗ್ರತ ಮಾಡಿ. Prism O dash, O1 dash. Project axis line. Now you have option. You may take directly down or you may take directly on that. It is left to you. Now, where you want. I will take here only. O1, 55. O. Draw this line parallelly. This is 55 length. Then project all the lines. This, draw this line. Solid. All sides make it dark. See, it is 1, 2 is not visible, 8 is visible. 3 is not visible, 7 is visible. 4 is not visible, 6, 5. Similarly, A, B not visible, H visible. C not visible, G visible. D not visible, F visible. And this is E, naming C. After this, rotate at an angle of how much? How much it is given, Amma? How much?
30.
How much? 30 degree. How much it is given? 30 degree. How much it is given? Problem cheppandi, Amma.
30 degrees.
30. So you want to take, you can take one locus line from here, 30. I will take somewhere here. Y means I will tell. This is 30. This is axis line. Now, phi is equal to 30 degree. See, how much Amma? Right side is equal to left side. How much? How much right, left? Cylinder.
2,
How much?
20 mm, 20 mm.
Radius only here. It is centrally. See, 20 on right. Again, I will keep my scale at this point. I will start striding. Exactly keeping 5. I want 20. See, kanpadtunda. Visible. See. 5, 4, 3, 20. This side 20. This side is also 20. Idu javratam cheska. This is important. Relation is perpendicular. This relation is also perpendicular. This point is 3, 7, 1. So many points are there at that point. Nothing happened. This is 5. This is 1. After this, measure from O1. How much distance this point? See, it is 14. This side, 14. Measure from this side, 14. Measure from this side, 14. Idu jagratam. This point is 2, 8. This point is 4, 6. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In complete loop. I intentionally made broad. So this point, this is important. This is perpendicular. Again, you got one triangle. If it is 30, how much it is, Amma? How much? How much this angle? How much?
90 and 60.
90 plus 30, 120. How much this angle?
60.
60 is the rule, Amma. Means based upon this angle, this is obviously a 60 degree line. This relation is our Jagrata. Next, 55 mm, same procedure. See that. Measure 55 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 55. How much? 20 on up, 20 on down. 20 up, 20 down. 14 from this side. 14 from this side. Same object, parallel lines. See, name it O, A, B, inside H, C, G, D, F, and this is E. Project. If you are getting this shorter line, ready, extend it, nothing wrong. This Y, you can goes on extend until we get it should not disturb us. Project first axis. This is the axis line. This is the axis line. First target is axis only. Project this axis line. Next, this is O1 dash. This is O dash. Project all the points. 1, 2, 8. Already 3, 7, same point. 7, 5. Similarly, project A. A. This line. Already it is there. This line. Project all the corresponding points parallel to this point. This point. Already it is line. This point. See. Now carefully name change. 1, it is 1 dash. 2, it is 2 dash. 3, it is C3, it is 3 dash. 4, it is 4 dash. 5 dash. 6 dash. 7 dash. 8 dash. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8. Along with O1, 8 points. Along with O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Along with O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is the rule. Now, we have to use outer line technique. Agree? Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Outer. Tell me any one extreme point. Any one extreme point.
9 dash.
Huh?
9 dash.
9 dash ekkada undra? 9 ekkada undi? 9th is point. There is no 9th point. Only we divided 8 parts. 9th ekkada nunchi teesukoni vachavu?
Sir, 8
Anyone?
dash. 8 dash.
8 dash. See, from 8 dash, smooth curve. 8 to 7. 7 to G. ಇದು ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಗ್ರತಂ ಇದು ಜನರೇಟರ್ G2F ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಕರ್ F to C C to D D to C C to 5 line 3 to 2 2 to 1 1 to 8 ಇದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ this space ABCD visible A to B visible B to C visible C to D D to E E to F F to G G to H this space visible this space is dotted line if in circle if you won't draw remaining line nothing will happen you draw it is good you won't draw nothing good why amma then why I taken 8 parts why not I divided this into 4 parts can anyone tell me reason anyone
To smooth curve.
to smooth car only one reason amma I want this ellipse should be smooth that's why I taken number of points because cylinder extreme ends is enough we won't count because cylinder is no corner no points so only extreme points and this smooth curve this you have to see finish after that if you won't draw we will award full marks getting my point so that is the only purpose that's why I not divided 12 I divided 8 only because if you divide 4 you won't get smooth curve to get smooth curve we divided 8 parts no doubt Within 1 or 2 minutes, session will wind up. I will take attendance. Wait, why strength is going down?